the 2012 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.